Here's a few examples for the Week 5 assessment, just to go over those practice problems that we've done in class. I think I may have written down the answers to number 7 and number 11 from the study guide incorrectly, so I'll do them here just to see, and I think I have number 8 as well. Here's question 4. Let's start with translate 4 units right. 4 units right means a subtract 4 inside with x. So let's do that. We're writing a new function g that has had these transformations occur. I'm going to simplify that. I should distribute inside of that absolute value. So 5x minus 20 plus 1. I should combine like terms inside of there. So 5x minus 19. Next I'm going to do a vertical stretch of 2. A vertical stretch of 2 means to multiply by 2, and it looks like this, 2 times f of x. So when I multiply by 2, or in this case g of x, it's 2 times the absolute value of 5x minus 19 plus 4. Oops, parenthesis there. I'm going to distribute 2 times the absolute value of 5x minus 19 and 2 times 4. And the answer is just what I said, 2 times the absolute value of 5x minus 19 plus 8. Final movement, followed by translation 6 units up, so plus 6. 2 times the absolute value of 5x minus 19, and I should say that plus 6 is on the outside. Plus 8, and then plus 6 more. So then my final answer is going to be g of x equals 2 times the absolute value of 5x minus 19 plus 14. And that's the answer to number 4. Please let me know if I made any mistakes. Sometimes I think faster than what I write and then I miss something, so just let me know. For the next 2 problems, I need to first decide what family these belong to write the equation of the graph, and these belong to the quadratic family, both of them. The parent function for both of these is f of x equals x squared. I'm going to draw the parent function on both of these. The ordered pairs I would use are 0, 0, 1, 1, negative 1, positive 1. And that's, oh, I need to use another color, the blue one. That's the graph for the parent function on that one. And here's the parent function for number 8. The next thing I want to do is describe those transformations. How do I go from the blue parent function to the red new function? And I measure or count from the point here, the lowest point or the minimum value on both of these to decide. So to go from the minimum value of the blue function, I count 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 1, 2, hold on, maybe it's 4, maybe it's 3. 1, 2, 3, it is 3, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3 to the right and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 right, up 4. Right 3, up 4. Right 3 is a minus 3 inside. Plus 4 is a plus 4 outside. I'm going to put those movements inside of the function g of x. I just made a new function. G of x equals, inside with x you put minus 3, the square goes on the outside, plus 4 goes on the outside also. And that would be the equation for number 7. For number 8, there are 3 movements that occur. There's a reflection across across the x-axis. And also right 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2, 3, 4. Right 3, up 4. Now, I think when I look at this first, I'm going to think about the reflection. The reflection, I'll use yellow dots, would be here, here, and here. Would I still be moving this point here, right 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I would. So that transformation is perfectly fine for me to say I have f of x equals, a reflection would be a negative on the outside. So you're multiplying by -1. You would have an x, a right 3 is -3 inside, and up 4 would be +4. So that would be my equation for number 8. And then the last one that I have, for number 11, I may have written down the answer incorrectly. Let me look at this. Oh, I think I do remember that I wrote it incorrectly. I believe I saw this as 0 as the origin, when the origin is way over here. So let me go ahead and work this again. The parent function, this is an absolute value function. The parent function equation would be f of x equals the absolute value of x. The parent function graph, I'll do in blue, is here. And then count from here to here. How do I count from the blue to the red? I would go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So left 5 and up 1, 2. Okay. So left 5 would be a +5 on the inside. Up 2 would be a +2 on the outside. So my new function g of x, and it really doesn't matter what notation you use, would equal +5 inside with x, the absolute value, and +2 outside of x. And that would be the answer to the last one.